Big. Small.
The elephant is big, but the mouse is small.
Fast. Slow.
The cheetah is fast, but the sloth is slow.
Hot. Cold.
The soup is hot, but the ice cream is cold.
Happy. Sad.
The children were happy playing in the park, but they felt sad when it started raining.
Day. Night.
We work during the day and rest at night.
High. Low.
The oven is set to a high temperature for baking, but the fridge keeps food at a low temperature.
Hard. Soft.
The metal is hard, but the pillow is soft.
New. Old.
She bought a new car, but still keeps her old one in the garage.
Strong.
Weak. The steel cable is strong enough to pull a ship, but the cotton thread is too weak to hold it. Rich.
Poor.
The king is rich, but the beggar is poor.
Clean. Dirty.
The kitchen is clean, but the bathroom is dirty.
Dark. Light.
The tunnel was dark, but the end was light with sunshine.
Easy.
Difficult. Adding single-digit numbers is easy, but solving equations is difficult.
Long. Short.
The girl has long hair, while the boy has short hair. Open.
Closed.
The shop is open in the morning, but it is closed at night.
Young. Old.
The puppy is young, but the dog is old. Early.
Late.
He wakes up early, but his brother always gets up late.
Full.
Empty. The glass is full, but the bottle is empty.
Sharp.
Blunt. The pencil was sharp at first, but after writing for a while, it became blunt.
Thick. Thin.
The book is thick, but the notebook is thin.
Tall. Short.
The tree is tall, but the bush is short.
Wide.
Narrow. The road is wide, but the alley is narrow.
Dry. Wet.
The shirt is dry, but the towel is still wet.
Quiet. Loud.
The library is quiet, but the concert is loud.
Alive. Dead.
The fish in the pond are alive, but the one on the plate is dead. Near. Far. My school is near, but the mall is far.
Heavy. Light.
The stone is heavy, but the feather is light.
Safe.
Dangerous. Riding a bike with a helmet is safe, but riding without one is dangerous.
Sweet. Sour.
The candy is sweet, but the lemon is sour. Expensive.
Cheap.
This car is expensive, but the bike is cheap.
Smooth. Rough.
The table surface is smooth, but the tree bark is rough. Inside. Outside. Stay inside the house. It's raining outside.
Above. Below.
The picture is above the bed, and the shoes are below the table.
Bright. Dim.
The sun is bright, but the moonlight is dim. Present.
Absent.
She was present in class, but he was absent. Friendly. Unfriendly. This dog is friendly, but this cat is unfriendly. Useful. Useless. This tool is useful for fixing things, but that broken hammer is useless. Beautiful. Ugly. The garden is beautiful, but the trash pile is ugly.
Sweet.
Bitter. The chocolate is sweet, but the medicine is bitter.
Fat. Thin.
The cat is fat, but the kitten is thin.
Fresh.
Stale. The milk is fresh, but the bread is stale.
Happy.
Unhappy. The boy is happy, but the girl looks unhappy.
Busy.
Idle. She is busy with work, but he is idle.
Right. Wrong.
His answer is right, but hers is wrong. Open.
Shut.
The windows are open, but the door is shut.
Bright. Dull.
The room is bright, but the hallway is dull.
Deep.
Shallow. The ocean is deep, but the pond is shallow.
Guilty.
Innocent. The judge declared him guilty, but his brother was proven innocent.
Positive.
Negative. She has a positive attitude, but he always thinks in a negative way.
Smart. Stupid.
The smart student solved the problem quickly, but the stupid one copied the wrong answer.
Kind. Cruel.
The lady is kind, but the man is cruel.